Hello, Klein Independent School District. This video will review some changes that we have been making to the Employee Access Center that will better service all employees for Klein Independent School District. These changes will take place on January 17th, 2014. As a collaborative effort between the Human Resources Department, the Payroll Department, and the Business Office, we are making these changes that will improve the level of service that our departments can provide to every employee at Klein Independent School District. These changes will include a new logo, more accurate menu descriptions, a new pay stub with more information, and a new change of address form that is completed 100% online using the Employee Access Center. To log into the Employee Access Center, you will need to use your web browser, where you can go to the Klein Independent School District webpage, available at www.kleinisd.net. Click on the Employees button at the very top of the screen. You'll be brought to this page. You can click on the Employee Access Center from the left-hand menu to be brought to the Employee Access Center login page. If you have never logged into Employee Access Center, general login instructions are available to you, as well as some context if you're having trouble logging in. After you log in, you'll notice some changes. The first and foremost is the new logo in the upper left-hand corner of the page. In addition, we have a new menu on the left-hand side that is more descriptive of what the pages the Employee Access Center can provide you, such as payroll stubs, calendar and leave, electronic W-2, and your paycheck deductions. You can click on these pages to see more information about your paychecks, your deductions, your benefits, and your salary. Next, let's talk about checks. This is an example check for a first-year teacher at one of our campuses. In this example, this person has a normal pay stub that you can get by clicking on the pay stub's menu choice. We will be changing the checks so that instead of looking in this manner, they will look like this. This new format of check provides more information for you so that you can have a better understanding about the salary that you accrue and the deductions that you're taking. You'll notice some things that are different, such as we now display your direct deposit bank information at the bottom of the check. In addition, you have more details over your leave banks and more detail over your employee deductions. We hope you appreciate this new check stub and that it provides you with more information about your earnings here at Klein Independent School District. In addition to these changes, we've also allowed your personal information to be updated online instead of having to fill out a change of address form. To change your address or phone number or any other demographic information about yourself, you'll need to click on the Update button that appears on the very first page when you log in to the Employee Access Center. When you click this button, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. You will notice there are some fields that you cannot change. For instance, you cannot change your name, your employee number, your birth date, or the department that you work at. In this example, this would be 049 or Ulrich Intermediate. If you need to change any of these fields that are locked for you, you will need to contact the Human Resources Department. The fields that you can change are things like your address and your phone number, as well as you can provide additional information if you so choose. We would also recommend adding your personal email in this field right here. So in this example, I have gone ahead and changed to a new address and added a personal email address and added a bunch of new phone numbers to be able to reach my emergency contact or my spouse. You can also choose the effective date at the very bottom. Let's say you know that you're going to be moving in 2 weeks and you have the new address. You can put the effective date for some time in the future by either typing it in or using the drop-down calendar selector. Once you have typed in all the information and you've verified that it is accurate, you can click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Once you have clicked the Save button, you will be brought back to the demographic screen, and you will see your new demographic information, such as address and phone number, displayed on the screen. It's important that you notice the line in red below your contact information. I've highlighted it here. This little disclaimer lets you know that your application to change your address and phone number is currently being reviewed by the Human Resources Department. They will have to approve the changes that you have requested before they will be submitted into your employee file. Once the Human Resources Department has reviewed your application and submitted your new address or phone number or what other information you provided, then that notice will go away. Now some departing notes. The changes to your address and phone number will not go into effect until the Human Resources Department has approved and posted them. We hope that these changes that we've provided to the Employee Access Center will give greater service to every employee here at Klein Independent School District. If you have any questions about these changes, please contact the Payroll Department at telephone number 832-249-4672. From the Human Resources Department, the Payroll Department, and the Business Office, we wish you a successful and productive spring 2014 semester. Thank you.